We are here right off of the Clear Creek Trail. We came across these interesting structures. Well, it used to be a home, we're guessing. And it is pretty much demolished. There's the roof right in front of me. It is overgrown by weeds and there's crap everywhere. We found like 10 TVs out here, which is odd.
But yeah, not really surprising.
I decided to take a video of this because you can't really tell what it is from a single picture. And this is what it is.
Remember how old those are?
What?
You were probably like 9 when people were doing those money signs.
Oh yeah, I remember those.
Those are so old.
My buddy taught me how to make those. You can make chains out of them too, by continuing the sequence.
Yeah.
Here's the toilet. And here's the door. Pretty cool.
I like how you can still see rooms in this one.
I guess you kinda can, can't you?
Like 2 rooms anyway.